I'm Kirk Martin with RKD Engineering, and what I'm going to be talking about is our I-53 injector system. This was designed specifically to address the problems that people are having decapsulating silver wire. The system does that without using plasma etching or laser ablation. It does it by simply modifying existing, well-known, well-characterized acid decapsulation techniques. It alters the decapsulation process by injecting a corrosion inhibitor into the acid stream. The corrosion inhibitor for silver wire is potassium iodide and iodine dissolved in water, and it's introduced into the acid stream at a ratio of about 30 parts acid to 1 part inhibitor. The ratio, though, is programmable over the range of 25 to 50 parts acid to 1 part inhibitor. The inhibitor works by growing a silver iodide film on the wire surfaces. This prevents or limits contact between the acid and the wire. The silver iodide is insoluble in water and in the acids, but it does not form a hard or non-porous film. Therefore, the etch time still needs to be kept to a minimum. The etch time and acid flow rate and temperatures can all be adjusted to get the least acid exposure and the best results. The wetted components in the I-53 are glass, PTFE, and PCTFE. All of these are compatible with the acids being used and a lot of other compounds. The system is double contained with active leak detection. The double containment is such that the system meets all safety requirements, safety cover, everything. A typical recipe for doing silver wire decapsulation, it looks like pretty much any other decapsulation recipe, except that there is the addition of the potassium iodide solution. The results are rather good, as can be seen from this. See, there's no damage to any wires, still no damage. Closer look, you can see great detail on the wire and the capillaries, and there's still no damage. We can get long wire sweeps without laser ablation. This just proves that it is in fact silver wire, that we're not doing anything with smoke and mirrors. Without using the I-53, you lose silver metal. Significant silver metal, although the etch pattern, the etch characteristics are going to be a function of the wire alloy coatings and the hardness of the wire. The advantages of silver wire decapsulation is it's a process everyone knows. It's very fast, seconds instead of hours. The cost of chemicals is very low. The process is absolutely reproducible. Everyone knows the process, and everyone has equipment for the process. The anti-tarnish agent is safe, is used in very small quantities, and is stable has a long shelf life. The I-53 can be added to any RKD decapsulator. It's very easy to convert. And there is one problem in that the use of silver wire, or the decapsulation of silver wire, requires a lot better fixturing. It needs better gaskets that fit properly. The old idea of pulling gaskets out of a box that have been used many times before won't work. There has to be good sealing, and the etch area needs to be very well defined. We do have a system for dealing with that in the nanomill, which can quickly and easily make gaskets to measurement by anyone doing decapsulation.